This one is a more traditional L-shaped desk from HomCom. In my personal preference, I love when a desk comes with more steel frames than actual wood boards. In this case, both the boards and the frames are black, which for me I think it's perfect. Just look at all the pieces. I already knew that this would end up being a super sturdy frame with all those pieces of metal. The MDF boards come in a wood grain finish, which makes things look more elegant. Sure, there was a lot of screws that I had to tighten to build this desk, but overall, just like the rest of the desks that I put together, it was nothing I couldn't handle. Big props to the assembly manual though. This thing guided me every step of the way, and so here is what I ended up with. A strong and sturdy desk. Lots of room on the tabletops, but also the bottom has nothing that will get in the way, which means that there's a lot of leg room to freely move around. And yes, down there you see a PC tower cart. Very convenient to keep it there. The adjustable feet on the bottom can help stabilize the desk if placed in an uneven surface. So here we go with the first item on the desk, which will be, yeah, you guessed it, a monitor. And plugged into this monitor will be one of my all-time favorite game consoles, the Xbox One S. So basically this portion of the disc will be my gaming station. On the other side we will have my workstation. My MacBook will take its place there. My art set case will go on the corner. It'll come in handy just in case I need it later. Check it out, I still have plenty of room to lay down my sketchbook, and on the other end of the desk I'll have my notebook for work, and here are more writing utensils. And now you can really appreciate the size of this desk by seeing all the items laid out on top. Guess how much this desk is, guys? Only $105. If you're a gamer, then you definitely might want to consider a desk like this one. Remember that you can find the links for all the items I unboxed on this video in the description.